Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video, we're going to talk about pipes. So pipes is a way in Angular to change or format one bit of data into something else. Okay, so let's give an example. Well, for example, if we want to convert anything like pounds to kilograms or numbers to percentages or anything like that, we want to change our data, we can actually use built-in pipes because that happens so frequently and so commonly. It's nice to have something built in. So let's take a look at this. We just made a simple component, some information, and it's going to use the variable now, and now is going to be a date time type, and I'm going to say it's April 23, 2001, okay? And we're not going to need any directives or providers, but we're going to have to put this new keyword pipes, and we're going to have to use const common pipes, just built-in pipes. We'll do the custom pipes in the next video probably. So all we're going to do is say some information and print this out, okay? And that's the class app component. So we print it out, and that's what it looks like. That's the format for the date time, okay? But what if I say, ooh, I don't like the looks of that. Let's change that a little bit. What you can actually do is put a shift backslash, and that's going to give you this character, this line, I guess. So it's right above the enter key on the right side, and you use the shift and that backslash, and that's going to give you this value right here. It's the same thing. That's when you do an if statement. That's or else. So it's this or this. It's the or. So just do one. Anyway, and I'm going to put date right here. So I'm going to convert this date time to a different type of date format. Let's see what the actual built-in format is going to be. Okay, so it's going to change it to April 23, 2001. All right, so what it does is it gets this information from this variable here, and it's going to convert it to the standard date that they actually have. But you can actually change it around a little bit, so you can actually put parameters here. All right, so date, I'm going to put parentheses, quotations, I'm going to say full date. And I can change things around a little bit. Let's see what that looks like. So that's going to give me the day of the week. Okay, April 23. What if I want to format it differently? What if I want to say the year and then the day and then the month? Let's see what happens there. I think that actually has the M and M has to be capitalized. Year, day, month, that has to be capitalized actually. So it didn't actually do it properly right here. So the month should be 4. There we go. Okay, 123. 4, so the year, for the year format, let's make it clear there. So we'll do 4 characters for the year. And you could put this in any order that you want to, okay? There we go. All right, so that's number one. That's one part of the pipes. What other pipes do we have built in? So I'm going to use this right here, some number right there. So it's going to be this number 0.2134. For some strange reason, when we do save this and when we reload it, it takes a long time to actually process this information. So it takes a little while. I'm not sure why. So what if, for example, I want to change that into percentage? Okay, 0.2134. What is that going to be? It's going to be, some number percentage. I think it's percentage as opposed to percent. Let's test it out. No, it's probably percent. And there are parameters that we can actually put inside of the percent as well. I'm not as familiar with something like that. I have to look that up every single time. But this is just the general concept. Wow, this is taking a long time. Maybe it's taking a long time to calculate the percent or something like that. I don't know. Because it has to compile pipes every single time, and I think that compiling the pipes is what's taking so long. Huh, that's a little strange. There we go. Whoa, that was quick the second time around. Okay, so 21.34%. So 0.2134 is equal to 21.34%. Okay, so that's just another way of actually converting it easily. You don't have to develop your own method or function in order to do this. Some of this is built in, all right? Now, nothing is easy, of course. So when I'm trying to look up the pipes that are built into Angular, I cannot actually find it in one nice section. All of the pipes, all of the way to convert it, I can't really find it. So I have to actually search it all and look under each individual one to see if something is already built in. So if anybody has a link to a page where it says it all in a nice, neat area, this is the pipes, and this is what things are converted and how you can actually do it, can you leave a comment in the comment section? Because I can't find that. But this is the concept of the pipes. Very simple and straightforward, but at the same time, extremely useful for us. Okay? There's a bunch of other different pipes, things that we can play around with, but that's the general gist of it. Thanks.